Hi, what happens if you make hydrogen inside of a giant balloon? Well, let's test it out and let's see what happens. If you take, I've got here 6 balls of aluminum foil, and I'm simply going to put the 6 balls of aluminum foil into the giant balloon. Okay, I've got those inside. Now, when you add muriatic acid to the balls of aluminum foil, it creates hydrogen. It takes a little bit of time to get started, but once it starts, let's see what the reaction is. Carefully pour the acid into the balloon. And then I'm going to tie the neck of the balloon in a knot. If I can get a hold of it. Okay. Hydrogen is starting to make. I mean, look how large that balloon is getting. With hydrogen. Whoa! It kept expanding and expanding and expanding the balloon with hydrogen until it just popped. That was amazing. Wow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.